Good day to you. My name is Frederic Vossena. I work for the Netherlands Ministry of Agriculture, Nature and Food Quality. And it's really an honor and a pleasure for me to be in Kazakhstan. We came here with a large group of companies from the Netherlands, exploring the opportunities for agricultural development in this great country. You know, the Netherlands is a very small country, but we have first-class agriculture and we have a lot of technology. And I think, you know, in the times we live in today, food security has become really a global concern. And with the land and the know-how of the people in Kazakhstan, combining it with Dutch technology, I think we can, you know, with the position that Kazakhstan has in the region, we can explore new opportunities and face challenges which have become global. So we thank you for your attention to what is happening in the Netherlands. It is my first visit, but many companies have been here many times, and we experience such interest and big attention for how we can work together that I'm very optimistic about the future. Thank you very much.